In a futuristic lab, engineers unveiled their prized invention, Robbie, the world's first robot with a sense of smell. On launch day, Robbie greeted the crowd, sensors sniffing the air. Suddenly, it detected an odd particle, a feather. Robbie's circuits whirred, and to everyone's shock, he let out a massive mechanical sneeze that blew the CEO's toupee clear across the room. The crowd gasped, then burst into laughter as Robbie politely apologized. "Sorry, I must have caught a virus." The engineers quickly realized, never give a robot a nose unless you also give it tissues.